Hello everyone, once again you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be putting on how to use peanut oil to make our soap, all available in our kitchen. Peanut without any booster to make it lather so well. Once again you are welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by if today is your first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, so I say I appreciate you so much. So I'll be using these two different oils. You can use one oil, you can use two, you can use three, you can do good ratio combination. So this is a peanut oil, and this is the peanut oil, and I have 750 gram there, and I have here the PKO oil, which is just 250 grams. Okay, and of course I've prepared the light solution. The light solution is 144 gram of caustic soda with 320 of water. I pre-soak it so that the video is not too long. Okay, so the next thing, I pour both the oil together because I'll be subjecting it to heat. Okay, your oil should be warm if you don't want fast thick trace. Okay, please do like it, share it, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and let us meet at the comment section. Okay, the oil is now warm, and so what is the next thing? We'll be pouring my light solution. It's easy to make soap, it's not difficult. I'm just using only two ingredients, the oil and light solution. Only two ingredients, yes. So you pour and mix, you pour and mix. Okay, have you liked it? Why not? Okay, so you mix as much as possible. Make sure, so just mix. And then in this one I will be producing two colors, just like what you saw in the beginning. Okay, so I'll be sharing it into two containers, but as much as possible make sure your trace is in the light trace, or at best medium trace. Don't let it form thick. So what you saw me do is pouring the color in the first one. I use lemon. Okay, lemon color. And then the second one I'll be using different color. In the second one I'll be using the pink color. Okay, you can see they're already shared in two containers, different containers. So I'll be using pink color, and then you drop your color and mix. You can use any color of your choice. You don't have to follow exact one I use, but when you are using coloring in the batter, you use water soluble. At this time it's water soluble color I use, so you mix it thoroughly. Then this warning, if you want your soap to come out with light color, don't let your color be much, because by the time it solidifies, by the time it settles, the color becomes thicker and deeper. Okay, so I want to make sure that all the batter is well mixed. Okay, so before we start pouring it, I decided to put another color there so that it can come out well. Okay, I dropped more of the color so that it can come out well. It's not difficult as you think. It's not too difficult. The people that come for the physical class, when they come to my venue for training, they wonder, it's just as simple as this. Yes, I made it so simple. It's so simple, it's not difficult. So we are good to go. The next thing we are going to pour in our mold. You can use any mold of your choice. You can use this type of my mold. You can improvise your mold. Just anything that can hold the soap together so that it doesn't pour away. So what I decided to do here, putting the yellow color first, and I made sure it did not fill up. so that I can fill it up with the second color. Okay. Don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe. Do share for me and then make your requests in the comment section. So simple. So you can make your soap with ingredients in your kitchen. And if you are using it for commercial, why not? Okay, but though the peanut oil is expensive, so make your choice wisely if you're after profit. Okay, so what you see me is pouring the pink color. At this time you can customize it. Just use it, customize it. Thanks so much. If you have watched it this time, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thanks so much. Okay, you can go on and just customize it. Very simple to make. Very simple to make. If you are interested in an ebook that made things easy, I have it available. Just reach me on the line, on the number on the screen, and it will definitely get to you. Or you need further training, physical class training, you can reach me on the line on the screen and you'll be attended to. Simple to make, simple things to make. So what do we do? Having done this, we allow it to solidify. You can leave it for 24 hours, and in most cases, if your ingredients are okay, you don't need to wait for 24 hours. 4 hours, 6 hours, they are done. And look at our soap here and look at it. Despite that the peanut oil is more than the PKO, it's still ladder so well. I did not add any foam booster, nothing to it, just simple washing cloth with it, and then it came out well. Thanks so much for staying till now. I will see you in my next video. Please do like it, keep liking it, keep sharing and commenting. Bye. See you in my next video.